Welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'll be taking you through the Ripple website. As you guys know, Ripple is the third cryptocurrency. Ripple is an internet protocol developed by Ripple Labs to connect all the world's disparate financial systems to enable secure transfer of funds in any currency in real time. Join RippleNet, the world's only enterprise blockchain solutions for global payments. You can click this blue button to watch the video. Today's payment rails don't cut it. Meet RippleNet. Ripple connects banks, payments providers, digital assets exchanges, and cooperates via RippleNet to provide one experience to send money globally. It is access, speed, and cost better than any blockchain. Growing global network. There are over 100 customers and over 75 deploying commercial solutions. Xcurrent, Xrapid, and Xvia. You can click these three buttons to learn more. Ripple Insights. You can always enter your email right here to sign up. Learn more, a demo, or speak with a member of our team. You can click this button to contact them. So I'm going to end the video right here. Subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and don't forget to comment down below. You can also check the WeIsCoins website to find more information about Bitcoin.